Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you about WhatsApp new feature of username. Have you ever wanted to chat with someone on WhatsApp without sharing your personal phone number? Well, WhatsApp is finally working on exactly that. The new username feature will let you connect with people using a unique username instead of revealing your personal phone number. In this video, I will explain you how it works, why it is important, who will benefit the most, and when you can expect to get it. Let's get started. First, you need to know what is WhatsApp username feature. This feature make connecting much easier while improving your privacy. So you can use this feature for selling your product online, for random people, meeting new client, joining communities, talking to stranger one safely, for business networking. With username you can stay connected without exposing your phone number to everyone. To access this feature guys on your Android and iPhone, first you need to update your WhatsApp. Open the App Store if you're using iPhone, open the Play Store if you're using Android phone. Here you need to search WhatsApp, and then if the app update is available, go ahead. First you need to update your WhatsApp application. After updating successfully, open the WhatsApp. Now go to your WhatsApp settings. A new username option will appear under your profile. Tap on edit button, pencil icon, and here you can get the username option. Tap on it and here you can get the create username option. Just tap on it and then enter your username. So I will enter my username like this. Username is not available showing. If you want some suggestions of username, so just tap on suggest a username option like this. So it will suggesting me this kind of username, so I will change it. As you can see guys, this username is available, so just tap on save button. That's it, and then tap on done. My username was successfully created. After that, people will be able to find you using your username instead of your phone number. If you want to change the username in future, just tap on username. You can change the username or you can delete it from here and then go back. So that's how you can easily able to set the WhatsApp username. So that's it for today guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TECHiFY for more tech updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.